Hey beauties, I ordered from Unice a 13x4 pre-cut lace front super secure 3D body wave wig. Mine came with already made baby hairs, pre-curled, and the knots bleached too, honey. This wig is pretty much pre-everything. If you beauties want me to show you how I really melt and style my lace wigs, please leave a comment below. I usually like to use Got To Be Glued blasting free hairspray to lay my lace, and I love using my baby Bliss flat iron to curl my wigs. So let me know in the comments below if you guys would like me to make a video. This wig is 24 inches long, and it also comes with tabs that you put on the sideburns, and I will be using the tabs because I don't plan on melting this unit, but I feel that the tabs are very temporary. So if you want your lace to stay laid for a long time, I wouldn't recommend the tabs. This wig is super convenient for me because I'm a mom and I need this type of convenience. This wig is also very beginner friendly. And if you're liking this video so far, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. And beauties, I am almost at 500 subscribers and I'm trying to get to 1,000, so please help your girl out. These are the tabs that I was talking about before. They already came with them on, but they do give you a whole bunch of them if you want to use them to secure your sideburns. I'm going to show you guys how I do mine, how I put them on. It's very simple. I'm going to clean my skin here, right here on the sides, because I do have makeup on and I want them to adhere better. So I'm just going to remove that off, and then I'm going to just press a tab onto my skin. I'm gonna hold it for a couple seconds, and that's pretty much it. And like I said before, this is something that is going to be very temporary if you're using the tabs. I do recommend, you know, melting your lace and using whatever you use, whether it's a glue, lace glue, or it's a Got To Be glue spray to lay your lace down or melt it down. But yeah, like I said, this is very temporary. But it does pretty much hold it in place for the most part. So I'm loving this wig. There is minimal shedding, but usually that's expected with wigs anyway. But I'm loving it. The hair is nice, it's soft. The lace is just blending right into my skin without even me melting it, and I'm loving that part. I can't wait to melt this wig. Guys, I'm loving it. It's really great for me. Oh, and guys, this wig, I ordered it and it came really quick, right on time. Definitely love that. The only thing is that I wish I would have gotten it in a 13x6 so that I can have deeper parting space, because as you can see, this parting space kind of gets shorter and shorter as you work your way towards the end, towards the ears. But yeah, I can still make it work. But I can't wait to put this wig into different styles, half down, half up, and a high half up, and a low half up hairdo. I cannot wait. And did I forget to mention that this wig is glueless? So if you don't want to glue it, you don't have to, but if you do, do it. So this pretty much completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.